Hi, my name is Pushan Rinnen. I'm the Director of Product Marketing at Rubrik, formerly a Gartner analyst covering storage and backup for 20 years. Joining me today is Nitro, Rubrik's co-founder and Chief Technology Officer. Welcome, Nitro.
Thank you for having me.
As you know, many organizations have been embarking on all these digital transformation initiatives, and a lot of times it requires them to develop new applications, and a lot of these new applications rely on still relational databases. When we talk about relational databases, Oracle typically comes to many people's mind as the one leading platform that hosts lots of mission critical applications, including the new ones, right? So I heard that you worked for Oracle some time ago, and would you like to share with us how that experience sort of influenced your design thoughts for Rubrik?
Yeah, absolutely. So Oracle is a very sophisticated database and gives you a lot of control. But the flip side is that it requires deep expertise to be able to tune it for performance and scale. Even when I was at Oracle, we had a recognition of the fact, and in fact, Bipul and I were both part of a company-wide manageability effort to improve the simplicity and management of the database. So, in fact, one of the key reasons why we built Exadata was to simplify the stack and have a single stack across, starting from the database right down to the storage layer. Pushan, before you joined Rubrik, you were a Gartner analyst for many years, and I'm sure you're exposed to a lot of customers using Oracle mission critical applications. So, want to get your perspective on this.
Sure. So at Gartner, yeah, I talked to a lot of customers through inquiries and other interactions. There are primarily three challenges they're facing. So one is performance at scale, and the other one is complexity, and the third one is kind of interesting. Is about the lack of co-stewardship between DBA and backup admins. So I just give you an example on the performance scale perspective. You mentioned that these days, database are like terabyte scale. On top of that, we have a proliferation of multiple databases, right? So we'll have more database to back up, to recover, and a much larger size. So this becomes a really performance issue when you use a traditional backup and recovery tools, because they were not really designed to tackle this type of scale. So on the complexity side, it's just a deep learning curve. And a lot of hours consumed to maintain the infrastructure, keep the lights on. So the third area is kind of interesting because it's really about who is controlling Oracle backup, right? So I've seen two scenarios, primarily DBA is controlling the entire process of backup recovery. In some organizations, it's the backup admin's job. So there is a little bit of this kind of a conflict in there.